Do you know Luxembourg as we know it? Let's take a little height to discover a country with high added value in terms of real estate. Welcome to Luxembourg, a centrally located country, gateway to Europe, with 60% of the EU's purchasing power within a 700-kilometer radius. Discover a country with the second most productive workforce in the EU, hosting more than 170 nationalities. The historical heart of the Luxembourg real estate market, the CBD is the prime office submarket with prestigious locations, where rents and yields are at their highest, with a prime rent of 50 euros a square meter per month and a prime yield of 4% and decreasing. Kirchberg is the largest office district, claiming 970,000 square meters out of a total of 4 million. Mainly occupied by bank and finance companies as well as European institutions. Available space is very limited at less than 1%. Cloche is a new mixed-use urban district in the city of Luxembourg, highlighted by an ambitious project comprising 325,000 square meters of office space, 75,000 square meters of retail space, as well as 160,000 square meters of residential development. The district already hosts the headquarters of some of the largest names on the market, such as Deloitte, Autodomus, PwC, Intesa San Paulo, and more. What was once an industrial site is now a place to live, work, and enjoy life. Belval will soon welcome at its peak 8,000 inhabitants, 25,000 workers, students, and researchers. 625,000 square meters out of more than 1 million planned are already developed or under construction, and 140,000 square meters are still in the pipeline for the next 3 years. Whatever your activities, expectations, and objectives, we support and advise you on all aspects of your real estate strategy, because our success is above all yours.